Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to set due dates on Trello with our full 2025 guide. To get started, you'll first need to have a Trello board with a card open. Now, on the right side of the card, you'll see a Add to Card section. Click on the Due Date button. The reason we do this is because setting a due date helps you manage your tasks more efficiently and ensures you don't miss any important deadlines. Once you've clicked on the Due Date button, a calendar will pop up. Here, you'll select the date you want the task to be completed. Now that we've done that, on the same pop-up window, you'll notice a clock icon next to the date. Click on this to set the specific time for the task. This helps us because it not only adds a date but also a specific time to the task, making your schedule more precise. Next up, if you want your task to repeat, simply click on the Repeat checkbox. In the drop-down menu, you can choose how often you want the task to repeat: daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. The reason we do this is because it helps with recurring tasks, saving you the hassle of setting the same due dates over and over again. Now, after setting all this up, it's time to save. Click on the Save button at the bottom of the pop-up window. Let me explain why this matters. If you don't save, all the due date information you just input will be lost, so make sure you don't skip this step. Finally, if you want to remove a due date, just go back to the Due Date section and click on the Remove link. This comes in handy when a task's timeline changes or when it's no longer relevant. And there you have it. That's your quick and easy guide on how to set due dates on Trello. By following these simple steps, you can keep your tasks organized and ensure you're always on top of your schedule. Until next time, happy planning!